So here's how to delete a repository. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your repository. Once you have opened your repository, now here you have to click on the settings option or the gear icon at the top of it. Moving on to the next step, now here you have to simply scroll down to the bottom where you will be able to view the option of delete your repository. Then to delete your repository, you have to go to this danger zone area and click on the delete this repository option at the bottom of this. Now again click on this option here. Now to delete your repository, you have to click on the I have read and understand the effects option. Once you click on it, now it will ask you to enter your password, and after that your repository will be deleted. So that's how to delete repository on GitHub.